Hello guys and welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make good and custom thumbnails for YouTube for free. So we're going to be doing this through a website called PicMonkey. PicMonkey is actually really good for thumbnails if you don't have like Photoshop or anything. It's probably like the best free alternative to that, or that's what I found anyway. So all you want to do, go over to their website. It'll be the first link. Just type in PicMonkey and you'll get this. You'll come to this screen. Don't worry about this. Don't start a free trial or anything. Just go up here and click edit, and then you can choose a image you want to edit from. So I'm going to choose a blue background here that I picked out earlier. It looks pretty nice. Try get one that's 1080p by 1920, like that aspect ratio, because that will be like you won't lose any quality when you actually put it as your thumbnail on YouTube. Sorry. So yep, I've got my background, and now we want to add stuff to it, obviously, for a thumbnail. So this site's really good because it does allow you to add overlays and text. You can actually add some like different effects here if you want. I'm not really too sure what they do, like stuff like that. I don't think that did anything, but yeah, you can mess around with the effects here. But primarily what I want to do is add a thumbnail, not a thumbnail, add an overlay. So add, you just click on this little butterfly button, go add your own, and then my computer. And then let's say we're gonna make a how to make a thumbnail, if that makes sense. So what I'd do is I'd add, say, an overlay like this, and then I'd add some text probably. It also allows you to add, like, it gives you a bunch of possible fonts here, but you can also add fonts that you've got. So a font that I use quite a lot is one called Plump here, as you can see. So I'd add this, and then go add text, and then here we go. So let's say call it thumbnail tutorial. We want to center that, and there we go. Let's make it bigger and sweet. So we can play around with this. So as you saw before, I can sort of turn it as just same as this. And also something that's pretty cool, you can change like the color of it. So say if you wanted it green for some reason, or purple, I don't know, whatever you want, you can play around with that. You can fade it, which is very nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep that there for now, and then I'm gonna make this a bit bigger, I think. There we go. Let's change it to white as well. So let's make that color white. Make it even bigger, I think. Cool. And then turn it to the side. Nice. I think that's pretty good so far. And a pretty cool effect you can do is actually duplicate this and then change it to black, and then send it to back, and then you can sort of move it up and down, and then see how that creates a really cool, like almost drop shadow that looks a lot better than, say, if I completely get rid of it. It looks a lot better with that than it does sort of like that, if you know what I mean. So I think that's a pretty cool trick you can use. Yeah, that's a good trick. Also, another trick you can do is, oh crap, deleted the wrong one. Duplicate that, make it white, get it over there, get rid of that. Another cool thing you can do is add a shape. So go to overlays, go geometric, and then click on this. So turn that a bit, make it longer, a bit wider. Probably need to turn it a bit more. That will do, and then we go center back. That creates like a pretty cool outline. I prefer the drop shadow effect, but that also looks pretty cool. Guessing like it depends on your preference, I guess, but I'm gonna stick to the one we had before. So get rid of that. So I'm gonna duplicate text again, make it black, and then we're gonna go center back, and then move it up, and then to the side a bit. And there we go. That looks pretty cool, I think. That's looking a bit boring at the moment, personally. So I'm going to add another overlay. This PicMonkey sign that I got earlier. Another cool thing you can do actually is, say if you want to get rid of the writing and just keep the logo, you can go over to eraser, make the eraser size bigger, and then just sort of get rid of that if you want to. I think I'm going to keep the writing though, because I think it looks pretty cool. Just sort of down the bottom there. There's probably some more things I can add. What else could I add? I could add like thumbs up. Would that work? I mean, sure, let's just put that there. Why not? Thumbnail tutorial. And then you'd probably want to add a free if I was actually making this. So I'd go add that, add text, and then I'd go free. Oh wait, let me type free, and I'd put that probably down there somewhere, and then move this about. But anyway, I'm not going to play around with that too much, but I just want to show you guys that this is like a really good tool if you are looking to make thumbnails for free. So I mean, like I said, you can play around with it more. There's a lot more things you can do. Like I said, there's effects here that you can see. Like I said, I don't know what a lot of them do. There's text, there's overlays, there's there's frames. So if you want to do that, it adds a bit of a frame to it, which can look pretty cool sometimes. Actually, I think I can keep that. That looks quite nice. So I can keep that frame there. Yeah, to be fair, that's actually a pretty decent thumbnail. So there we go. Anyway, if you guys did enjoy and you found it helpful, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.